all about non-farm payrolls, also known as NFP, and employment change. Change in the number of employed people, during the previous month, excluding the farming industry, is used to measure. Release frequency is monthly, usually on the first Friday after the month ends. Job creation is an important leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. The Fed stressed on data dependency, and Powell outlined that they will have 2 labor market reports and 2 consumer inflation reports to get through before the September meeting, so we're now at the first hurdle. The consensus for the non-farm payrolls figure today is plus 250K. The headline figure will obviously attract first attention in markets, and any major miss or beat will lead to some knee-jerk reactions. But the details will once again be key, with a look at the unemployment rate and wages. So, what exactly are markets looking for at this point? Any signs of weakness in the labor market are perhaps the main thing to be wary about. We're at the stage where bad news is good news, and if there are credible signs for the Fed to pull back on being more aggressive, it is going to be bedlam for risk trades. At some point, growing recession risks will hit at confidence, especially if a hard landing looms large, but for now, central banks are dominating the narrative, and we're in the second half of the tightening cycle already. That is evident by the Fed's subtle shift last week, in which we also saw the RBA and BOE do with the policy is not on a preset course this week. How should Profit Hammer Bot EA users trade the event? We suggest novice traders skip the event, as it is Friday and there is no use to hold trades over the weekend. As for expert traders, you can use it as a tool to devise a plan of action and trade according to your strategy. Happy profit hunting!